Just like that, we back. It's your boy Broccoli Balboa, aka Russell Westbrook, aka Veggie Miller, all the good stuff that I say in all the other videos, but we're gonna get right to the point. Today we talking about Woodroot Tonic. Get you some, man. Get you some. Let's just get right into the ingredients first, and then we're gonna go into what it's good for and what my experience is. This is something I've taken from different companies, but this time I chose to use the Sundial version of it. If you can see that, it's various different formations, but essentially it is different roots put together for different beneficial reasons. Generally safe. So Woodroot Tonic, it's good to improve your heart health, lower your risk of cancer, boost your brain health, detoxifies the body, cleaning out your blood, reduces inflammation, fights infections, boosts your energy levels, aids in weight loss, improves skin health, reduce stress, and a whole host of other things. But this also fits into what I like to call one of those things that get you off those gas station dick pills, because it's going to help cleanse your blood. It's also going to help you with one particular root name in here. It's called 4-Man Strength, but I advise you, if you look that up, just be warned, I told you pause already, you know what I'm saying, because it's another name for it, but I will not say that on the internet. But just imagine 4-Man Strength, you know what I'm saying. So what's actually in here is purified water, cheney root, pirin bark, raw moon bark, blood whisk, 4-Man Strength, mahogany bark, tahibo, soursop leaf, that's a good one, mango leaf, avocado leaf, blood leaf, guava leaf, breadfruit leaf, pimento leaf, gingko leaf, cayenne, cloves, pimento seed, black seed, and ginger. Already up top, you know, some of those are already known, like your ginger, your cayenne, to help with your blood, help with your inflammation, help with your digestive system. The soursop is generally talked about in the sense that it helps cancer, just so many beneficial things that you can get from soursop. Happens to be in here as well. Of course, I said the 4-Man Strength. What I tend to focus on when I take this is to detoxify my body, because no matter what you're talking about, all the stuff we ingest, willingly or non-willingly, air quality, foods we eat, just general life habits, you know, you need to detoxify your body. So what's recommended is that you take like a little under a shot of this every morning. I tend to take it twice, once in the morning, once at night. And what I do notice, anytime I've ever taken this, any other formation, as long as it's very well sourced, you don't want to get just some random thing, because this is something that outside of these companies that produce this is a traditional Jamaican root recipe. So there's different formations that you can take, but I think generally most of them have that in common, that they help with your blood flow, help you to cleanse your blood. So if you've been doing, you know, your daily activities, eating this way or eating that way, you want to help your immunity, make sure that your blood is clean, make sure that you are sleeping well, because that's going to help out a lot of things once you get your blood clean and once you get toxins out of your body. So when I take this, I notice that it does help me out with my digestion, it helps me out with my skin very fast. If you have any skin conditions that are kind of plaguing you, I guarantee you, you take this for about a week, maybe even quicker than that, you'll start to notice some differences and changes in your overall skin look and everything like that. I notice that I don't get sick, you know. I really don't get sick that often anyway, because I take a whole bunch of other herbs anyway, but this does play a good role in that, in helping me to stay healthy and in a good mood. So the main thing, like I said, is for my digestive and blood flow. So I recommend this to anybody. It's generally safe. I don't see anything that would cause any problems with anybody that's generally healthy or doesn't have any serious health condition. But if you do have one of those things, I would err on the side of caution. Maybe talk to your doctor and see if any of these things interact with you in a negative way, or something that you probably are allergic to or something like that. But for the general population, I would say this is a easy pickup. And for the people that talk to me and ask me like, where do you get these things? So this one is generally very easy to find. I found it in my local health store. So a lot of these herbs that I get are from a health food store. There's one in Baltimore that I go to. But this is generally easy to find on Amazon, or if you were to just type this in, Sundial products, or any other Woodroot tonic. And if you have those things at your disposal, it wouldn't hurt to mix it up yourself. Like I said, make sure you get well-sourced ingredients. Another thing I want to tell y'all, this is the last thing I'm gonna tell y'all. I am warning you that this is a very bitter taste. So do not expect this to have anything in it that's going to aid in the flavor. If you want the results, you're gonna have to power through the flavor. Maybe you dilute it or something like that. Maybe you mix it in something, but I kind of just raw dog it. So it's up to you. If you can't stand a really bitter taste, then just be aware that once you start taking this. But after a while, I think that if you take it continuously, that taste becomes less of a problem for you. But I warned you, just a little smidgen of this, you're gonna taste it. It's gonna be a very harsh, bitter taste. So just be warned. But that has been Herbs Day. I hope all y'all are staying healthy, staying hydrated. I hope that all y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Check me out at broccoli_Balboa on Instagram, and also Broccoli Balboa on TikTok if you happen to do that type of stuff. I'm sharing the same information, just in a shorter format. But it's been Herbs Day. Love y'all, appreciate y'all for checking in. Talk to me, I talk back. Hit me up in the comments. I will respond, answer any questions. We can dialogue there. And if you have any recommendations, we can share information, and let's build a community of people that's talking about how we can stay healthy and how we can make sure that we don't perish out here, unnaturally. You know what I mean? Health is wealth, baby. Health is wealth. It's been Herbs Day. Holla at y'all.